What is up, you guys? Welcome. Today I'm gonna share with you what I eat in a day. High protein edition, plant-based, of course. So yeah, I'm very excited. I am eating a primarily plant-based diet for about 2 years now, and I am really enjoying it. I would call myself an intuitive eater, if you will. I do try to eat pretty healthy, but at the same time, if I do want an Impossible Whopper from Burger King, I will get myself an Impossible Whopper from Burger King. So yeah, balance is key. I will say though that I do make sure that I get enough of certain nutrients, like for example plant-based iron or plant-based proteins. And of course, every day looks different. Please keep in mind that this is only one day of meals and snacks that I love to eat out of many days. Okay guys, let's get started. I'm about to show you what I had for breakfast today. Let's make breakfast. Lately, I am really into tofu scramble, and that's what we're going to make today. I use 1 block of this tofu from Kroger. That's the perfect amount. First up, you want to heat about 1 tablespoon of olive oil, then pop the tofu in the pan and mash it with a potato masher. I am so glad someone told me to use a masher to crumble up the tofu. It works amazingly. Then I stir and cook it for about 8 to 10 minutes. Halfway through, you want to season it. My seasoning of choice is garlic powder. Of course, it's like the best thing ever. And then I got myself this tofu seasoning from Amazon. It is wonderful, trust me on that. Then you want to add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of non-dairy milk to make it creamy. And I love to add some cherry tomatoes and spinach. Ooh, yes. I eat the scramble with these breakfast sausages from Beyond Meat. They are really delicious. I just pop them in the air fryer for a few minutes. And of course, I just have to have avocado toast. The bread I'm using is from Food for Life. I love this brand. And a little bit of everything but the bagel seasoning. And we're done. Hello. I just got back from getting my nails done, and then I went to Target and Starbucks. This time around I picked a really pretty baby pink. No, that's not baby pink. I don't know, but I love that color. It's like a light pink. Whatever, it's cute. I love it. And yeah, then I picked up a Starbucks, and Target had this new oat milk creamer. It's plant-based. Duh, so made out of oat milk. It's new and it's pumpkin spice. I'm so excited to try it. I'm sure this is gonna be so creamy and so delish. Let's make lunch. And today I'm gonna show you one of my favorite things to eat for lunch, like ever. Just wait. We're going to make zucchini noodles with tomato sauce and lentils. Easy and delicious. The lentils I love to use are from Trader Joe's. These are their ready-to-eat warm or cold steamed lentils. They're really easy to warm up. You just pop them in the microwave for a few minutes and they are done. You can use this for salads, pasta sauces. If you love chili and you want to make a plant-based chili, this is so good. And lentils are such a great source of plant-based iron. I have to show you these new shorts I got from Target today. Look. I mean, come on. This is so me. The color, the TV show, everything. This makes me so happy. Okay, you guys, let's make a protein, fruity, smoothie, shake, whatever you want to call it. dinner today, I am making myself a poke bowl. First up, let's make the coconut rice. You need 1 cup of rice, 1 can of coconut milk, and half a cup of water. Bring to a boil on medium heat and then cover the saucepan and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. Whenever I make these bowls, I just go wild with the veggies. Today we're gonna use edamame, chickpeas, corn, and kale. And then we're gonna top it off with crispy onions and soy sauce.